Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that we had a awful 6 months behind of us, and the another 6 months, the next half of the year could be pretty bad and ugly as well. So let's talk about it. Okay, the second thing I would like to mention is all about Ethereum prices, because the gas fee actually is now down in average to $1.57, and this is the lowest since 2020. And the third news is all about Voyager Digital, another centralized platform which is suspending all trading, deposits and withdrawals. So guys, another sign: be aware that if you keep your crypto on centralized exchanges or actually on centralized platform, you could be in danger. So guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every single weekday I bring them for you. Actually, now in July, as you can see, the background is a bit different because I'm spending my holiday here in Greece with my family. So probably the videos will be on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so 3 times a week. So this is the plan for July, and then of course in August I'm back on track. I'm back to my office, but this month is all about the holiday. But don't worry guys, I'm going to keep you up to date. And now it's time to look at the market, and let's share that screen where we can see that Bitcoin is actually now down to 19,113 US dollar, which is basically a kind of 1% drop in the last 24 hours, no major. And also Ethereum about 1% down at 1,055. So when we're looking at the top gainers, we can see an RV is up at 9%. We can see, Terra Classic USD, doesn't matter. Torchain 8%, and we see BitTorrent New 3.5%. And when we're looking at the biggest losers, we have Synthetic 7% down, Polygon 7% down, NEM 6% down. So basically no major moves. When you're looking at the Bitcoin price, then basically since the 1st of July we are in this 19,000 range, so rather between 19,000 and 20,000 than it was before, between 21 and 20,000, but still going in this kind of sideways moves. When we're looking at the fear and greed index, you can see that the fear was yesterday bigger, 11, now we have 14, but this is still extreme fear, no question of that. And why is that? So basically it is because we had pretty bad first 6 months behind us. Couple of records were broken. I'm going to talk about that. And also I'm not sure that the second half of the year will be amazing ride in a positive way. So let's talk about it. So yes, we had actually a really rough first 6 months. I would like to share the screen and just share a couple of data with you guys. So the S&P 500 index dropped 20.6%, marking its worst first 6 months of the year since 1970. So that was the last time. Okay, so the Dow Jones Industrial Average went down 15.3% in the first half, and this is the worst since 1962. Why? We had Nasdaq Composite going down 29.5%, and we have the Russell 2000 going down 23.9%. Produced index the worst half on record. So they never had something like that before. And there was a survey made by Deutsche Bank, and about 400 global investors were asked in this survey, and 71% of them said that they expect a recession in 2023, and basically back in February just 29% said it, so now 71%. So the majority is saying that they're going to be a recession coming in this year. So, and this can change a lot of things. We had the Fed. We do know that they have increased, the interest rate by 0.75%, which is the biggest since 1994. And yes, the same can happen in July. And if this happens, well, we'll see what the market will do. So either recession numbers coming out that we are in recession. I mean, the second GDP quarter is also negative, and also it can happen that the other thing that they just keep raising the interest rate. Okay, another interesting thing here, that a big chunk of the inflation problem, what we're having, what Fed is fighting against, is basically being caused by supply disruption, and basically that Fed cannot fix. So this is another major interesting thing. So what we're all waiting for right now is the July the 13th, when the new CPI index, the consumer price index, is coming out and shows us what was the numbers from June. Is it worse than it was in May, or is it better? If it's better, okay, and then there's a slight hope. If it's worse, whoa, that could be rough. Okay, so this was the first thing I wanted to share with you guys. Then the second topic is all about Ethereum, because actually Ethereum gas prices are now going down. So yes, recently, we had pretty bad numbers when we're looking at the Ethereum gas prices. Look at this data here. So basically, when you're looking at between January 2021 and May 2022, the average gas fee required by Ethereum network was roughly $40, kind of a lot. With May the 1st, hitting the record 2020, the highest average daily gas was 196,000 US dollar. That's crazy. And basically, when you're looking at now the numbers, look, now we have these numbers here, even on OpenSea, on Uniswap, and so other platforms. We're talking about a couple of dollars, right? And now they're saying that it's down in average to $1.57. So much better, obviously, than it was before. That means the traffic on the network is much less, so people trading obviously less. So now at least the gas fee is down. But when everything goes back on track, the gas fee go back again, because the problem is not solved yet. Okay. And the third thing I would like to talk about is about another protocol, another platform, which facing some problems, and this is Voyager Digital suspending withdrawals as well. Okay, so recently we had Celsius and a couple of others actually facing big problems, and therefore holding withdrawals. And this is basically about centralized platforms. And now, here we have another one, and this is actually Voyager Digital. So digital asset brokerage Voyager Digital is posing all customers temporarily suspending customer trading, deposit, and the worst thing is basically withdrawals, according to the statement, which was released actually on Friday, but then on the weekend I couldn't make a video, so therefore I'm making it right now. And bottom line is here, I don't want to get deep into this topic, because whatever happens to them, but in these difficult times you should really remember, do not keep, it's not financial advice, just think about it, be wise, do not keep your funds, your crypto, the majority at least, or at least on centralized platforms, because it always, in these worst times, can happen bad things to exchanges, it can happen to lending protocols, all these kind of things, and then you don't know, can you touch your crypto again or not. Okay, so be aware of this. So probably I'm back on Wednesday with the freshest. I would like to still keep you up to date even when I'm on holiday, and then in August I'm back to the office, and then back everything to normal, but I still will bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, because even in these difficult times it's very, very important to stay up to date. Guys, I wish you a great day. Have a good one. Bye bye.